Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you all through the install of this 40-inch 250% density wig, and guys, it is insanely beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. I got this wig from TikTok shop. I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money, you guys. So I'm going to link the TikTok that has this wig in it because I'm not sure how to link it without linking the TikTok. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so we have the 40-inch wig here. She is super thick, she's super pretty. Like, this is super duper thick, you guys. Like, whoa, flat ironing this wig is gonna be a nightmare. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna take all day to do. And guys, we have a real 13x4. Like, I'm so excited to play around with this wig. A full 13x4. The first thing we're gonna do is take some lace tint. This is in the color medium brown, and I'm going to put this on the lace to get it a little closer to my skin tone. Okay, we're gonna slap this sucker on real quick. Oh my goodness, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Really pretty, very pretty. Okay, so I like to work in sections of 3, so we are going to cut 2 slits into the wig. Okay, we're gonna do layer 1, you guys. I'm actually gonna start with the middle today. We're gonna make sure we're using the cold or the cool setting on our blow dryer. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with layer 2. Okay, we're doing layer 3. Okay, so now that looks pretty dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put it down. Put the middle section down. Yeah, let's move on to the sides now. Let's do the sides really quickly. Okay, and now we're gonna finally put these pieces down on the glue. We're just gonna put the headband on so the glue can really adhere to the lace for a little while. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this thing off, honey. It wasn't on very long at all, but I'm ready to get this lace off and see how this wig is gonna look, honey. I'm just taking my eyebrow razor and I'm cutting off this excess lace. We also need to free this ear over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a slit between the lace and like the wig, where the lace frontal is and the wig. Now this side. Okay, and now I gotta touch up these spots that are coming up with a little glue. That'll be really quick, like right there. Just bend these pieces back and see what's coming up. And we're gonna put the headband back on one more time. This is a lot of hair, you guys, my bad. And if you all can see, I actually didn't use the Velcro on this headband. I tied it in a knot. But I'm gonna leave it on here for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna take this headband off now. Okay. And bam, bam, bam. Let's put a little slick stick on here and get this molded into the shape we want it to be. Of course, we're going for a bust down jet black middle part. So let's get that middle part in here. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of this tinted lace melt. Let me see. To the lace to get it just closer to my skin tone a little bit. And then I'm gonna leave this on overnight. I'm just gonna tie my hair up and I'm gonna be back in the morning, you guys. So let's see. Don't really get this nice and melty. Okay. Yeah, so I will see you all in the morning. Bye. Okay guys, it is the next day. I'm so sorry if I was a little dry last night, but I am not a night person. I'm a morning person. And then like my energy taps off around 2. So I'm sorry guys if my energy was a little but I'm back and I'm better. We are going to take this bonnet off and see what we're working with. I'm making a TikTok over here at the same time, you guys. But we are going to see what we're working with. One thing I'm noticing about this hair is I'm not getting much shedding whatsoever. Like, this is a lot of hair, you guys. Like, whoa. I told y'all, flat ironing this hair is gonna be literally a nightmare. It really is gonna suck. But let's take this headband off. See what we're working with. Ooh, this looks like a perm. Let's put a little makeup on this part to make it a little more apparent. Y'all, it looks really good. It looks really good. Like, I am really loving the way it looks right now. The lace looks good. It's giving, it's eating. But we need to flat iron all this hair. No baby hair is needed, so that is amazing. I'm gonna just do a nice little middle part with 0 baby hair. And that's gonna be that. But like, look at that. Looks good. Oh my goodness. I know I said I was gonna save this wig for the Nicki Minaj concert, but I just had to put it on. I can't just have this sitting somewhere. And I know y'all wanted to see it on, so of course. I can't just have this wig sitting in a closet or cabinet like that. Come on now. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and try to flat iron this hair. And this is ridiculous. This is so much freaking hair. Like what? Hold on, let me put it to the back. Like, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna take a minute, honey. A hot minute. So firstly, I really don't know how to straighten hair like the real girlies, like the iconic girlies. Like my straight do not be just bone straight. But I'm gonna try it this time because I need the 40-inch to just eat the girlies up. I really do. Like, look at this. This is so much hair. We're gonna pin this part up. And we are going to work in sections, you guys, because this is gonna take a minute, for sure. For sure, ski. It's gonna be so long though, is the thing. It's gonna be very long. Okay, so I do have, this is what I always use, the Fructis Sleek and Shine. Let me see what else I have. I have Frizzies. I never use that, but so I'm not gonna use it. And I have this Bio Silk, but this Bio Silk is always so heavy for me. Like, I don't know. It doesn't eat. So we're gonna start with the Fructis Sleek and Shine and hope that does the job. We're gonna try to go slow. Ooh, this is long, honey. This is long. That looks pretty though. It's very pretty. Y'all can't even see how long it is. It's going to like my mid-thigh, honey. It is eating. I don't know. I wonder, should I go live on TikTok right now? That might be interesting. I don't know. I'm scared. Going live just like completely scares me. Like, I remember I tried to go live on my lash company page on Casino Lashes and my hand was shaking. Like, my hand does not shake. I've always been good at class presentations and stuff, and I can do these YouTube videos, but child, when I have to go live, that's scary. That gives me the heebie-jeebies for sure. That definitely gives me the heebie-jeebies. Let me see. I need to see the time so I can be like, how long is this really gonna take me? So let me look at the time so I know. Okay, it's 12:08. Let's say I started at 12:05. Yeah, that's probably about right. This looks really, really pretty already. I'm gonna go live on TikTok and see what happens. If I get scared, I'm gonna just jump off. I don't know. Fuck it. Forget it, you guys. Fuck it, we'll do it. We'll see what happens. And if I get scared, then I'm gonna get off. Guys, this hair is absolutely unreal. Like, oh my goodness. Like, it's insane. I'm obsessed. I am completely obsessed, you guys. I've never had a wig like this. Like, I thought you would have to pay thousands for a wig like this. This is insane. Like, I love it. Let me bring it to the front. Like, what? No baby hair. The lace is nice. The hair itself is nice. No tangling. It's falling beautifully. Like, ah! I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, this wig is from TikTok Shop. So I'm going to have to link the TikTok that has the link in the video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.